What is going on, guys? Sam here from The Cube Place, and today we're gonna take some of my old speed cubes and turn them into super cubes. Alrighty, folks, so we are just gonna start off with this old 3x3. This is my old GAN 356 from 2016-ish. It was my main speed cube for a very long time. But the stickers are kind of falling off, and I obviously don't use it anymore because there's just better technology out there now. And so I figured, you know what? Let's turn it into a super cube. Then I can have a really good quality super cube that I can play around with, which should be super fun. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump into a time lapse of me taking off all these stickers. Guys, as you can see, the puzzle is mostly cleaned off. There's still going to be a few chunks that I might miss, but they're going to be covered up by the stickers. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start stickering up this puzzle. Okay, so a major suggestion that I use if you guys plan on doing this, if you don't have sticker applicator, you can always use an X-Acto knife. That's what I'm going to be using today, just because I don't have any sticker application tape with me at the moment. And I just want to make sure I do this as accurately as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and, so what you can do is you're going to take this, the sharp edge of the blade, you're going to move this back, you're going to kind of just very gently pry up that first sticker. Just kind of press it down and pull it off. And then, ever so gently and accurately, I'm gonna put it on there. Boom, just like that. So, I'm gonna go ahead and continue to do this with every single sticker, and I'll get back to you guys when it's all done. Guys, the 3x3 is done, and man, it looks absolutely fantastic. Oh man, it looks really cool. Let's do a little checkerboard pattern real quick, just so you guys can kind of get an idea of how silly this cube is. And I guess just real quick, so the reason I'm doing this, one, is because I had the extra cubes laying around, but two, I'm kind of starting to get more into the realm of not so much speed cubing, is I'm more interested in puzzle solving at this point in my cubing career. And so I want to get cubes like this actually for reference. So I can refer to puzzles like these whenever I'm solving super cubes, such as something like a ghost cube is a good example. Something that does have center orientation, so I can kind of practice and use these for reference. So there you guys go. So let's go ahead, and now that the 3x3 is done, let's go ahead and jump into the 4x4. All right, guys, this is going to be a long one, so just bear with me. Alright guys, as you can see, the puzzle is now de-stickered, and it has significantly more goo on it, so it's going to take me a little bit to get this off, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut ahead to where the residue is all gone. And we're back. Alright guys, so this 4x4 is de-stickered and de-gooed, and it is ready to go. For those of you who might be wondering what kind of puzzle this is a Moyu Aosu, the original Moyu Aosu, in fact, from 2015. Turns absolutely amazing. When I very first got into speed cubing and kind of started to take 4x4 a little bit more seriously, that was the puzzle I went to, and it was absolutely amazing. So, alright folks, let's go ahead and get this bad boy stickered up. The 4x4 Super Cube is complete, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. Wonderful. I cannot wait to solve this, but before I can even scramble these, I'll do a little checkerboard pattern first. And you guys can see that in the checkerboard. But yes, before I make a scramble of these guys, I first have to tackle the last and final of the tests today, which is this 5x5. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the de-stickering of this beast. Okay guys, this is finally de-stickered. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this mess and get right back to you. Okay guys, mess is cleaned up. Cube is ready to be stickered. Man, I am super excited. I did wipe a little bit of goo off. There wasn't too much, thankfully, but I cannot wait to get this stickered. So let's go ahead and jump right into the time lapse. Here we go. Finally to the end. the final 2 stickers, and holy crap, this actually did not take as long as I expected it to. It probably took about an hour to get all these de-stickered and re-stickered, so actually really not too bad. Now, in all honesty, I am not a huge fan of stickering puzzles, so I hopefully will not do this again for a while, but here it is, the 5x5 Pacman Super Cube. It looks absolutely fantastic. Here are the other ones for the collection, and yeah guys, this is what you can expect. All right, folks, we're gonna go ahead and scramble these up. Let's go ahead and start with the 3x3. All right, so that's what you guys will get out of a 3x3 Pacman Super Cube. Very, very cool. And here's the 4x4. All right. Very crazy looking, love it. And the dreaded 5x5. All right, guys, that looks pretty stinking messed up. So, without further ado, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little slide, or not slideshow, but this little time lapse of me creating these puzzles. If you guys want to get these stickers, they do sell the 3x3, 4x4, and 5x5 versions on the Cubicle. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.